Have you ever been in a position where you are trying to open your app, maybe your Zenda, your Notepad, for my graphic designers, your Pixel Lab, right? And your data is on, or one advert will just pop up from nowhere, and then you cannot stop it. Yes, you have to wait for the next 30 seconds or for the next 1 minute before that advert will go off, or before you see cancel and click on cancel to get the advert off your face. In this video, I want to show you how you can get rid of those adverts from showing and actually stop those adverts from showing on your phone. I want to show you how you can put an end to those ugly adverts or to those time wasters. To me, I see some of them as time wasters because you really want to do something very fast and you have to wait before this advert will load. Most of them are adverts that you don't even need. That's what I want to show you in this video. So like this video, share this video to your friends who you think will need this information. All right, so let's check it out on our phone.
All right, so quickly open your settings, and then you're going to come down to your under your network settings, right? Come down to more connectivity options. Your own may be different depending on the mobile phone you're using. This is for Android users, okay? So mobile connectivity options or more options, and then open it. Then it's going to bring you to this place. So under, you're going to see private DNS. Okay, DNS means do not disturb, and by default, it's going to be set on automatic, or your own may be on another mode. Okay, so this is on automatic right now. So you're going to open this place. You open this place, and then you will not off it. You're not going to off it. You're going to put a custom name. Okay, so you come down to private do not disturb provider host name. You open that, okay, and then you click on the other button, and you're going to either you see empty or you see another word written on your device. Okay, so you're going to cancel that, and then you're going to type this dns.adguard, right? dns.adguard.com. Okay, this is what you're going to type. Make sure you type this thing not in capital letter, okay, all in small letters like this, dns.adguard.com, and then you click on save. Okay, so this is already saved. Now, with this save, whenever you can just back and then go back to your home screen. Okay, so whenever you open any app that has in-app purchases or in-app adverts, you're not going to see those crazy adverts again.
Okay, so I think with these few points of mine, you are going to get rid of those adverts. I promise you. So you can check that on your phone. Come back to this video and share your testimonies. This is AP Media. If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment on this video like I said, and share this video to somebody who you think will need this information.